Supposed to look like that?
Well, I'm adding more and more every day. Building that color library. Here's the update that we have. Our pump, I broke it. It was a cheap plastic thing, so there's our car wash soap. This is for oil. Run the hose, put a little screw there, there's a little nozzle. Give it a quick pump. Bam. Don't worry about this for wet sanding. Oh, hello. No snow to move. Got some stuff to move in the yard. I want to dig this truck out. Forks are in the way. Oh, making a mess. Leaking all the exhaust fluid everywhere. I have to go buy some more. Damage like this, that means the muffler bearings are also shot. I'm actually gonna measure the frame on this just to make sure everything is nice and in its right spot, because this thing is pretty squishy. Get to that right now and show you if it's straight or not. And there we go, green all the way around. This is the side that it's hit on. So where's 5? Forward one, in one, down one. 3mm tolerances. This is perfect. What's going on here? Whatever that is. It's good to know that this is solid. Get out of here. Selena Gomez? Anyways, what is going on here? All good. Customers should be happy. I'm happy. Everybody should be happy. Hell yeah. Been a while. A few updates. It's really nice.